Hello, you wonderful people. Welcome to everyone new on this channel. Welcome. Today I'm painting the baby Yoda as a Christmas gift for probably my sister, because she's a Star Wars fan. A friend of mine is so too, and I've made several paintings on wood, as you have seen in the beginning. But I only recorded the baby Yoda because he's so cute and fluffy and squishy. I just couldn't hold myself back when I saw the baby Yoda and the clips from the movie. So I had to paint them to gift it to my sister. This wooden slices, it's not my first time painting on wood. To be honest, I've painted some cats and an owl too, and there are videos on my channel as well if someone's interested. To paint on wood, you need to prepare it first with a watercolor ground. The one I used was by Daniel Smith, but other companies have watercolor ground too. It's I would say not paste, but it's a dense liquid probably that you can brush on your wood slices or any other surface that you want to use watercolor on, and then you can paint almost normally. It feels different than paper, but it's nicer than wood could be on its own. I know it's not something for everyone, but if you're curious how to do that, I will link all the supplies in the description box. You don't have to buy any of that, but I just want to give you the information on how I did that, if you're curious. So there you see the baby Yoda coming to life. I have added the base layers and am adding the details and shadows now. Working so small is very unusual for me, because I tend to work a little bigger, not really big, but a little bigger at least. And adding so many details in such a small space with such fine brushes isn't something I do very often. I still do it from time to time to paint on especially these wood slices, which will become magnets in the end. To make them waterproof, I spray them with a watercolor fixative and then add several layers of varnish on top, because magnets need to be somewhat sturdy and somewhat waterproof, and this is the only way I can do that. So I think in the end the picture is the one that shows them with the varnish added. If you don't use the fixative and add the varnish on top of the watercolor itself, it may smudge a lot. So this is my solution to preserve the painting and make it waterproof too. I also have a video on how to make paintings on paper waterproof. It's linked in the upper right corner. So far, if you have any questions, just comment down below. I hope you have a great day, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.